Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are watching the most complete video series for learning English and American culture in the easiest, most effortless way. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times, and soon you'll find yourself understanding and speaking English naturally. No stress, no pressure, just enjoy the journey. Today's video is about a place you may have heard of but don't know much about. Guam. Why is this tiny island so important? Let's explore why this small island holds such a big role in American history and global strategy. Guam is a small island in the western Pacific Ocean. It's part of a group of islands called the Mariana Islands, and it's an unincorporated territory of the United States. That means it belongs to the U.S., but it's not one of the 50 states. So, why is Guam important? First, its location. Guam is about 6,000 miles west of California and much closer to Asia, especially Japan and the Philippines. This makes it a critical military outpost for the United States. There are several large U.S. military bases on the island, including Andersen Air Force Base and Naval Base Guam. These bases are essential for U.S. defense strategy and operations in the Pacific. The history of Guam is fascinating. It was originally inhabited by the Chamorro people, who have lived there for thousands of years. In the 1500s, it was colonized by Spain, and after the Spanish-American War in 1898, Guam was ceded to the United States. During World War II, Japan occupied Guam, but the U.S. retook it in 1944 in a bloody and decisive battle. Today, Guam's residents are U.S. citizens, but just like in Puerto Rico or the U.S. Virgin Islands, they cannot vote in presidential elections, and they have only limited representation in Congress. The island's culture is a unique mix of Chamorro traditions, Spanish influence, and American modern life. Tourism is another big part of Guam's economy. People from nearby countries, especially Japan and Korea, visit for the tropical beaches, luxury hotels, and duty-free shopping. You'll find beautiful coral reefs, historic sites, and a welcoming island spirit. Even though Guam is small, only about 30 miles long, it plays an outsized role in military, political, and cultural terms. It's a key part of America's global presence and a symbol of the complex history between the U.S. and the Pacific region. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the follow-up feedback video, which is essential for mastering English and American culture. Please like and share this video to help us keep growing and creating even better content. We'll see you in the next adventure.